Hi beautiful people, it's me, Rensky. Welcome back to my channel. Thanksgiving is coming up fast and today we're diving into a fun DIY. In this video, I will show you step by step how to turn a simple Dollar Tree wood blank into a beautiful piece of home decor. Perfect for your Thanksgiving party setup. Let's head over to my computer and get started with the design. Alright guys, we are here in my canvas. I am using my desktop version of the Idea Studio app and I've just finalized my design. And I'll just want to show you real quick where I get this design and make it as a whole template like this. First, I just want to reveal this group of templates that I got it from the library. So I'll just search it in here in the library section. I'll just search it fall leaves, maple leaves, or pumpkin, such like that. And if I'm happy with the design, I just add it to canvas just like this and pick whichever pumpkin that I want to put in my design. So just like that. We will not do anything about this one. I just want to show you real quick where I got my designs from, and we will just hide this for the meantime, and we'll want to focus in this design right now. So let's check what's in here. What are the elements under this group? So yeah, from there, like I said, I slice and unite each element one by one until everything came together as a single design. It was a multi-step process, so I am just showing you the final result here. To size up the template, I placed 12-inch. You see it here. The layer, put it right there. 12 by 12-inch circle behind my design to visualize how everything fits. For cutting, I made sure that the entire template stays within 11 to 11.5 as shown here. I have 11.46 by 11.46 inches. And for me, this is my safe zone for the iEngrave machine. For the Thanksgiving cut file, I used the LOKLiK font called Acrylic and centered it in the middle of the design. You'll notice I've assigned each color to each part of the design in canvas, but before sending it to the iEngrave, everything needs to be converted to black. So for now, this layer, which is my template, I will just hide that right there, and I will just need to select the whole thing. And like I said, we need to convert that into black color. Just for now. So that's a key tip. The iEngrave machine only recognizes black for cutting and engraving when using the LOKLiK app or LOKLiK app desktop version. If you leave any other colored like yellow, green, or red, it won't engrave properly. Now, if you're using light burn, you can assign different colors to represent different tasks like scoring, engraving, or cutting all in one go. But with this LOKLiK, black is the universal language for your laser. Alright, back to this design. Let's already hide this template right here. And then the Thanksgiving, we need to hide that one too. and we will send this the whole design to my iEngrave. We'll just hit the make button. Okay, connect the device. Let me connect this one first, like this. Okay. At this point, listen closely. I want you to hear how many beeps it makes when I power it on. It's a fun little detail I always notice. So my machine, it made like 3 beeps, and this is normal if you have the cover edition. Okay, let's go back to connected device. Hit the next button. I'm using the USB connection, and then hit the connect, and then finally complete connection. Okay, so right now we need to check this group, and then we place this as cut operation style, and we will cut that at 3mm basswood board. So let's check if all the parameters are all good. Yes, it's all default. 100% power, speed at 230 millimeters per minute in one pass. So a quick reminder, guys, always frame your design before assigning it to the task. That way you'll know exactly where it's going to land. With such a limited working area, it's super important to make sure your cut stays within the 12 by 12 basswood board. I won't show you the full laser cutting process this time, but I will give you a little sneak peek so you can see it in action. Once the cut is complete, we'll head back to the canvas and hide this layer again and bring in the Thanksgiving cut file to send to the iEngrave. So let's say pretend that it's done. Okay, we'll just go back there, then cancel this one, and now we need to bring back the Thanksgiving cut file like this one and hide this one. So make it sure too that you don't move anything inside your canvas, otherwise, you know, it will be ruin your cut file. But I think it doesn't matter this time because we already maximized the 12 by 12 inch basswood board, so we really need another 12 inch basswood board, and we can just move this one up to maximize it or wherever you want to place it. For me, I want to place it on top right there. And again, always frame your design before you cut it. Just like that. It's the same thing, same parameters. Let's just click that, mode line, operation style is cut, and we'll cut that again in basswood board 3mm. So everything looks good, and you'll just need to hit the next button and then frame your design. Oops. Okay, and then frame your design after that. Then when you're happy with the framing and the placement inside your working area, then you just go ahead and add it to the task. And you will start the button. Okay, just like that. I will just show you the shortcut or the sneak peek of my cutting process, because you know this is a long cutting process, and it takes around, I believe, if I'm not mistaken, like 35 minutes in total just to cut the whole design. Now let's take a look at our first cut. I was seriously impressed by how clean and precise the iEngrave handled this basswood, right up to the edges of the 12 by 12 inch board. That's why it is very important to define your safe zone when designing in your software. It helps you maximize your cut area and ensures your design fits beautifully on the full piece of wood. And don't forget, visual framing plays a huge role too. It takes a bit of practice, but once you nailed it, your projects will look professionally polished every time. Back to my crafting table, here's the vision. A layered wood centerpiece with 3 painted panels, no door sign this time. First things first, grab your Dollar Tree wood blank and snip off that hanging cord. Since we're switching it up, we'll need to patch the 2 tiny holes before painting. For that, I will be using one-time lightweight spackling by Red Devil. You can use any brand you prefer, but I love this one because it spreads like butter, dries fast, doesn't shrink or crack. And bonus, no sanding needed. It's paint ready in minutes, works indoors or outdoors, and clean ups with just water. Easy peasy. Once the patch holes are dry, grab your second layer and lightly trace the inner circle with a pencil. This helps mark the boundary between where we will paint and where we'll glue later. Super helpful for keeping things cleaned and aligned. Now, let's shift to the first layer, which will serve as our background. I will be using a walnut-colored gel stain I picked up from Hobby Lobby to give this piece a rich, elevated look. It's one of my favorite tricks for making budget-friendly wood look like high-end. This shade also ties in beautifully with my home decor, but feel free to use whatever color makes your heart happy. Moving on, lay down some butcher paper to protect your work surface. Paint spills happen and cleanups way easier this way. Next, take your circle template and pour a generous amount of gel stain right onto the wood. Use paintbrush to spread it evenly across the surface. Then, grab a paper towel and gently wipe it down to reveal the rich walnut-style finish. It's a simple step that gives your wood a beautifully elevated look. Once the stained wood is dry, set it aside and let's move on to the next layer. I am using masking tape to hold the piece in place while painting. Helps keep everything steady and neat. For this layer, I will be using Vintage White in Matte Finish by Folk Art. We will apply 2 coats to get that smooth, even coverage and a soft classic look. Next up, I'm using Folk Art's Outdoor Surfside color. It's the perfect match for that rich walnut background. This shade adds a fresh pop of contrast and really helps the center coat Happy Thanksgiving stand out beautifully. It's all about creating the layered look that draws the eye and ties the whole piece together. Now that all the painting is done, it's time for assembly. To secure everything in place, I'm using 300 LSE adhesive tape from 3M along with Gorilla Super Glue. This combo gives a strong, reliable band, perfect for keeping all the layers aligned and locked in for a long period of time. Next, grab another circle wood blank and place it right on top of our layered piece. To make sure everything bends securely, I use wood clamps to hold it in place while the glue sets. Once it's fully dry, go ahead and remove the clamps. Then continue staining the background layer with the same walnut gel stain for a rich, cohesive finish. I didn't like my first color choice for the centerpiece, so I gave it a fresh coat. Actually two. I used chalk in beige from Crafter's collection, and it totally brought that rich, warm, cozy vibe I was going for. It pairs beautifully with the walnut background and ties the whole piece together. Once dried, I grab my trusty Gorilla Super Glue and secure it right into place. Right after that, grab a butcher paper piece of wood and place on top together with a glass block to lock the glue in place. And just like that, your home decor piece is complete. You can stop here and enjoy it as is, but if you'd like to add a layer of protection, feel free to use any wood sealer you prefer. I will be using a UV-resistant matte finish by Krylon to help preserve the look and keep it party-ready for seasons to come. Now, let's zoom in and take a closer look at this wood project. I mean, just look at those color combos and layered details. Don't they play so beautifully together? I'm loving how it all came together. What do you think? Pretty fabulous, right? I made this Happy Thanksgiving home decor as a little reminder. Every day brings blessings worth celebrating. May it spark gratitude for what we receive and joy in sharing that goodness with others. Now that the design is finally here, enjoy it and let the thankfulness flow. I hope it sparks some inspiration for your next Thanksgiving craft. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to turn that notification bell button on so you won't miss any of my new upcoming videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy Thanksgiving! Bye!